In this video, we're making Meltaway cookies. In a bowl, you're going to take some all-purpose flour and add in your cornflour and mix them together. In another bowl, you're going to take some butter, add in powdered sugar, and you're going to mix the two together. And then beat them with a whisk till you have a light and fluffy mixture. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Then you're going to add in your flour to it little by little, and you're going to mix it in. You're going to keep repeating this till you have a dough. Once all of your flour has been mixed in, you can mix this by hand and knead this till you form a ball of dough. That is exactly what you're looking for. Then you're going to scoop about 1 teaspoon of the dough . And roll it into a ball. And you're going to place these on a baking tray lined with baking paper. Then bake them in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 10 to 12 minutes. And then I decorated the cookies with some glitter because I made these during Christmas. You can also use some sprinkles or leave them just like they are. Once that is done, you're going to let your cookies cool completely. And these cookies just look so delightful and pretty. And they are even more wonderful to eat because they just melt away in your mouth, just like the name goes. They definitely remind me of paidas, and if you love sweets that just melt in your mouth, you're going to love these. Also, a very happy new year to everyone, and subscribe for more recipes, and I'll see you soon. Bye!